Oh, wait. Yeah.
Gringo, you ready for some crickets? Come on. Come on, it's dinner time. Come on. Come on. Aw, now. I'm gonna resist, are you? Come on, it's time to go. There you go. There you go, baby. Come on, let go on your back. There you go. What do you think? Ready for some dinner? Ready for some good dinner? Ready for some crickets? Delicious crickets. Okay, here we go. Alright. Oh, don't be silly now. We've got delicious crickets for you. Here we go. Look right here. Look right here. Go get it. Delicious. Delicious cricket. Ready for another one? Go get it. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. What do you think? You want to come back out and have a little talk? Yeah, come on. Oh, you going to go up there? Come on. Oh, come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now let's get a little chin rub. Let's get a little chin. Oh, now, come on. All these times you let me rub your chinny chin. You're funny. There you go. It's alright, baby. Oh, yeah. You don't have to chin. You got to chin. Oh. Hey. Hey. Come on. Chin, chin, chin. Oh, he's good, baby. You ready to go back? Okay, here we go. Where are you going? I feel your pricklies in your feet. They're sticky.